Hello and welcome to Sikha Crafts. Today I will be sharing how I decorated my home for Christmas, how I made the whole place look warm and cozy by adding small decorative pieces, small DIYs. There will be small DIYs and tricks and tips. So be with me to watch the full video. But before I begin, there is a short request for you guys. Please subscribe to the channel Sikha Crafts. So here I start. Let's begin with the Christmas village. There's a certain amount of nostalgia added to a little Christmas village like this. I have made the houses with cardboard, and the whole place is filled with artificial snow. Small decor pieces like reindeer, Santa Claus and his famous red truck, some gifts has been added here. Glitter paper has added beauty to the cardboard houses. Let's see how I did the lighting. These are all artificial snow. Behind the silhouette of the houses, I have added some string lights and battery operated lights. Below the cardboard house, there are lights too. One thing I want to tell you, you cut out the doors and windows and stick tracing paper or parchment paper on the back side of the cardboard. So when you put the lights inside, it looks bright and the light will also be evenly distributed. You can even paint the houses instead of sticking colored papers on them. Now what to do if you don't have a fireplace in your house and still want to decorate your mantelpiece? I have come up with a fun idea of making this virtual fireplace. I have downloaded the images of fireplace and then I have stuck them on a large size cardboard box to do the trick. I think it's looking gorgeous. Next we move on to the guest room. Keeping Christmas in mind, I have used red color for this room. Not only red color, yellow walls are giving a cozy look. I have some garlands added on the curtain holder, poinsettia flowers, and the wreath on the wall are just for Christmas. This is Mount Fuji from Japan. I painted this wall a few years back. This was just a freehand painting of my imagination. I have used sea sponge and palette knife to make the flowers. Colors are all wall emulsions and not acrylic color. I have placed the glamorous cone Christmas tree and bottle lamps on the table. Let's go to the kitchen now. It's one touch light below the cabinet. This decoration is just for Christmas. Now I made this Santa mug out of this Nescafe red coffee mug. I have used air dry clay here. It's not for drinking tea or coffee, just for room decor. Isn't it a good idea to make a Santa out of a Nescafe mug? In this jar, I keep coffee. This jar is also decorated by me. The video tutorial is on my channel. This is a 2-tier tray and I will show you how easily you can make this at home. All you will need is one candle holder and you place a big plate on it. You don't need to fix it, just place it and then place this peg upside down on the plate. Then place a small plate on top of it. You can even do a third layer on this by using a shot glass. Let's arrange some fruit cakes, plum cakes, chicken internet, pastry, sweet bun and whatever you wish to eat. Easy to serve and your guests will love this way. I think it's looking quite delicious. This 2-tier tray is quite filled with tempting goodies. Here how I place my oil jars. The bottles are all decorated by me. I have put oil pourers on them. They are filled with mustard oil, rice bran oil and olive oil. Easy to pour oil while cooking. So here's how I have decorated my kitchen counter and I hope you like it. This is all for Christmas decoration. Now this is the Christmas tree. It's glowing with LED lights and heavy with ornaments, giving the feel of Christmas. A small DIY on wreath making follows. Take a round piece of cardboard and put garland on it. Here I have used 2 types of garlands to give a fuller look. Here I am using the second type of garland. These are poinsettia flowers which I have cut out and joined the 2 flowers one above the other by using small piece of both sided tape between them, and now I am placing it on the wreath. Taking one command hook, I placed it on the main door. I have used some other ornaments on it too. So this is all for today guys. Hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching.